Hey everyone, today I am going to show you AI tools that can boost your productivity and especially how to save hours when creating presentations. If you often create content or tutorials, this video is for you. You know, the most time-consuming part of content creation is making slides and videos. Designing each slide, formatting text, finding the right image, it takes forever. And most tools still make you do everything manually. I've been there and I was constantly looking for a faster solution. There are lots of AI tools out there, like Gamma or other platforms that speed up presentation creation. But sometimes they are expensive or have limited features. I need something more affordable and advanced, and that's when I discovered AiPPT. If you make tutorials or content, this AI tool will save your hours. I use it to spend so much time designing slides and visuals for my videos. It really slowed down my workflow.
Now let's start with the import document feature. You can upload a Word, PDF or text file directly into the platform. Once document is imported, the AI understands the structure of your content automatically. Headings are converted into slide titles and paragraphs become complete slides. In just a few seconds, a full presentation is created from your document. This is the fastest way to turn existing content into professional slides. It's especially useful for reports, scripts, or articles you learned to have prepared. By the way, you can export your slides as PDF, PowerPoint, and PNG file.
Check the link in the description. Get your membership code and try AiPPT yourself. It's a real productivity booster.
If you don't have a ready document, you can use the paste text feature instead. Simply paste your content into the editor and generate the slides instantly. The AI organizes the text and creates a clear slide structure automatically. This option is perfect for quick ideas or short presentations. It's ideal when you want to turn raw notes or simple text into slides in seconds. No formatting or design skills are required at all. After the slides are generated, you can continue editing them directly in PowerPoint. You can adjust layouts, refine the text, or make quick design changes. And as you can see, our AI automatically generates images that match the content of each slide, so you don't need to search for visuals manually.
In short, AiPPT and AI tools seriously increase productivity. Presentations are ready faster, images are auto-generated, and templates are constantly updated and professional. You will save time and improve quality simultaneously. If you don't want to waste time creating presentations, try AiPPT via the link in the description and get your membership code.
AiPPT is now free in some regions. Download and try it out.
You will see your productivity skyrocket. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Nano Update.